fresh veggies, and fresh herbs. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a protein-packed meal, our QUINOA Tabouli Salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Pour quinoa into a fine sieve. Rinse quinoa until the water runs clear. Over medium heat, spray a pot with nonstick spray. Add quinoa to the pot. Toast while stirring. 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in water and salt. Take a moment to give this salad recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other quinoa recipes. We hope you will give them a try. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Bring to a boil and stir. Reduce heat and cover. Simmer 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let quinoa stand. 5 minutes. Fluff with a fork. Line a sheet pan with aluminum foil and pour quinoa on sheet pan to cool. What herbs and veggies would you add to this salad? Leave your response in the comments section of this video. Make salad dressing by adding lemon zest to a jar. Slice lemon in half. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the jar. Mince garlic. Add garlic to the jar. Also add salt and pepper. Pour in olive oil. Cover jar with a lid. Shake until fully combined. Once cooled, pour quinoa into a food storage container. Pour half of the dressing over quinoa. Make sure to add some of the garlic. Fully combine. And cover with a lid. Refrigerate quinoa and the remaining dressing. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. Before serving, slice cucumbers. If using a large cucumber, remove the seeds. Fluff quinoa with a fork and add cucumbers. Slice tomatoes. If needed, remove the seeds. Add tomatoes to the bowl. Gently combine. Chop green onions. Add them to the salad. Combine. Chop fresh parsley and fresh mint. Add parsley and mint to the salad. Combine again. Grab salad dressing, pour over salad, and combine one final time. Serve immediately. That's one healthy and tasty salad. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.